on this edition of the AUDIOZONE channel.
Tuning, y'all, look. Time I'm just gonna come inside the vehicle. In fact, I'm out. Ramirez, go steal your car. Just pretend like you're normal walking in your car. Start his car and try to take his baby girl, which I love the color of your car, man. I love it. She's already going off. Your phone's going off. Your remote's going off. Don't even do that. Just turn it on. I want to make sure the kill switch and everything working for you. And he got a manual, y'all, so that makes it even better. Okay, perfect. Y'all, it's your boy J Cruz, known as the AUDIOZONE, here with another day, another video. I want to thank you guys for watching. We're gonna thank you guys for the support. Y'all be good and God bless y'all eternally, man. 2025 is around the corner. I'm wishing everybody a super blessed year, man. It all begins with your mindset. It all begins with your mind. What you focus on and what you're gonna accomplish, y'all. Stop looking at the negativity. Start looking at the positive things, man, and just keep on fighting forward, man. That's the advice for this year, 2025. Stay focused, man. Don't let your dreams get out of reach because of somebody telling you that it's not possible or something's not possible. Everything is possible, especially through Christ that gives me strength. Y'all, that's my favorite verse. It's actually right there. Watch. Y'all think I'm playing? Look. I can do all things through Christ that strengthens me. Today's video, man, we have a beautiful 2023 manual stick shift Challenger that came into the shop, and he's worried about it getting stolen. So he has two thefts on this car. It's a manual. That could be the number one thing. Be this beautiful 2023 RT. He came into the shop because he's worried about his car. It's a scat package, y'all can see there. He's worried about his car getting stolen. So with the CompuStart system, it can be running with the T13 remote control. It's gonna have the dash through shock sensor, glass brake sensor, tilt sensor, drone, kill switches, everything that you could possibly think on the vehicle for security. He's gonna have it on this car, so his car can be secured, and it's a manual. It'll still do remote start, which I'll show y'all. Manual. Still do remote start on the vehicle after you go through a safety procedure that I will show you on this video. So Josh is beginning to do the tear down, getting this unit installed in this vehicle, and once this gets to the end, I'm gonna show you how the manual mode works for the CompuStart and how the safeties are in place so that your car doesn't take off on you and leave when your remote starts. So that could be the build for today. Stay tuned if we get this rolling here for y'all today. In fact, let me show you something else, man. That came in. He's also worried about theft. He has that big Coyote 5.0. Y'all know that motor became a gem in the racing industry, and we are going to be in the kill switch, which means that from his phone he'll be able to disable the vehicle from starting, stop the car from being stolen, and have GPS tracking on his phone at all times, man. So that is the journey for today so far. We got a couple of other cars that have already left the building, but this is what was important, is security, because these cars are getting stolen. Toyotas are becoming popular, the Ford platform, the General Motors platform, and everything else is being stolen. Of course, the Mopar game. So if you have a car you need secured, check us out here at AUDIOZONE. Stay tuned as I get these cars going and show you how everything works. Add to this video, man, we have on. Yes, yo, he is working on building the website, y'all. So AUDIOZONEoftexas.com is up. You can find everything. Go down and show them. We got wide body kits, hoods, we got speakers in there, we got pretty much everything that the shop offers. We're gonna start organizing the categories, but right now everything is in there live, so you can literally come into the website and buy anything that you need from the shop, pay for it directly online, and we'll ship it directly to you. From wide body kits to drones to hoods to lighting packages to everything you could AUDIOZONEoftexas.com. AUDIOZONEoftexas.com is the website that you can go and get anything that you need for your vehicle done, and also some of the merch that will be dropping soon. So stay tuned to AUDIOZONEoftexas.com. I invite you guys to go to the link, check out the site, and send me some suggestions, man. We want to make it user friendly so you guys are happy with it. So in this video, I'm mixing it up and give you some more stuff we're doing at the shop. The security system's already done by our man Josh. He's already got it knocked out. I'll bring y'all more on that one when we get out there with the vehicle, show the customer how everything works. It is definitely a great thing to have in your car, so if you need security, come and get it done. 2020 Lexus IS 300 here. Came in for a base package. He wanted something not too crazy, something loud, so we went through back and forth. We're gonna pair him up with a Nemesis 1K amplifier. We're gonna do the new D4 single 12-inch woofer from them, which is 500 watts RMS, which is what this is here. So you see it's 500 watts RMS. Now we look at the amplifier, so you understand why we match it the way we do. And if you look at this right here, it's about 575 at 1 ohm. So this is gonna put it right where we need to be at. That's going on with the single 12 turbo bass series box, paired into the trunk, and we are doing the installation now. Let me show you something here. So we got the wire already ran through the boots area. We have a tool for that, but now we have our power wire that's already in here. As you can see right here, this is going with the 8 gauge. It's nothing too serious. We're gonna run this across, make it all nice and pretty, and get that going for him in his audio build. I'm about to adapt the fuse to it, so you can have a fuse. Very important to put the fuse in the front closest to the battery. The purpose is if there are any shorts in the wire, touching frame or anything, it will blow the fuse and not catch your car on fire. So the fuse goes as close to the battery as possible. We're getting this done and this to you. Guys, so with the owner of the car, Mr. Ramirez right here, he owns the gray car. We're about to show you how he already had one previous, so he understands it, but just for y'all, T13 remote, I'm gonna lock it. That's already done. And then now at this point in time, I'm just gonna come inside the vehicle. In fact, I'm out. Ramirez, go steal your car. Just pretend like you're normal walking in your car. Start his car and try to take his baby girl, which I love the color of your car, man. I love it. She's already going off, your phone's going off, your remote's going off. Don't even do that, just turn it on. I wanna make sure the kill switch and everything working for you. And he got a manual, y'all, so that makes it even better. Okay, perfect. So that's doing this thing. Now hit the disable here, disarm. So one time, shut it up. One more time, disarms it. Now start your car. Just like that, the security. So he's had one before, so I'm just gonna walk him through all the features, but this was done, getting ready to be signed, sealed, and delivered to him, y'all. I mean, it's a privilege and honor to do this, but this one's gone. We finish up the Lexus and show you how that works out. Guys, so showing y'all what's going on. John, Mrs. Woodford to the TV box. You can see that. Let me show y'all this side for the amplifier. That's what she's looking like before setup. And this is what the power wire is looking like, y'all. So the power wire is ran in here. I got it all loomed up. Now you got to do the zip ties and hold it up and get it all nice and clean. I got the fuse holder over here. You can see they're nice and clean. I'm about to tie this into the power supply and get it going, y'all. So just giving y'all a little progress report. Stay tuned. Stop the copyright 2 seconds for y'all, but chauffeur's in there nice and clean. Y'all see that? Single 12. Jay wiring it up right now there. As you can see, his hands floating on the side of the box, and we're about to see what this thing actually sounds like. So I know it's gonna sound good, but we will to work, Josh. He has to leave with audio. Can we make it happen?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, I know you do, Josh. I know you do. But this one here, man, we're putting it together. Just a sneak peek. It's a Miata with the LS swap. Stay tuned in the video. This one's almost completed. Waiting for comparts to come in to button up the front end. And get this, is a 6.2 liter in a Miata. Yes, Mazda Miata, 6.2 liter V8, TH400. Yes, it should be fast. I gotta talk for the copyright, but this one's done. There, y'all. Happy, y'all. So we'll continue on to the next build. Crazy one. Stay tuned. We'll continue phase number couple that we've done today, but I'm just gonna bring it to y'all. Let me walk back here. This is gonna be a weird, unique, big build. It's got a Chevrolet Impala. We're doing a Nemesis Audio 3,500 watt amplifier to this bad boy. You might ask me why. This is why. We're doing 212 Solo Barracks, custom ported box, installing this with a 3.5K. Hit or no hit?
Possibly.
I think it is going to hit. I mean, the box is deep, it's tuned low.
Oh, yeah, L7.
I think we should have some. You think it'll hit or no hit?
It's a lot of port.
It's a lot of port.
A lot of port. It's either going to hit or going to fall in its face.
We're about to find out. Wiring this one, and when we get done, we're going to do a base test. That could be, we're going to put some items on top, see if they flex the roof with it being built. Stay tuned. Tuning, y'all, look. Yeah, this one is hitting, y'all. But this one's gonna be out the door. Impala's ready to go. Gonna end this video always telling y'all thank y'all for watching, man. Always thank y'all for the support. Y'all don't even understand how grateful we are for y'all for the support y'all giving the channel, man. But y'all be good. God bless.